Nature walk.
Oh wow, look at that listen tree. You see it?
No.
It's right over here. Look at these Indian carvings. It is.
Those are ants.
Indian.
Indian ants.
Oh wow. Look at those Indian carvings. Look at over here. Little swivels up that tree. Oh wow. Can you see it better through your phone or something?
I'm recording.
Oh wow. You can tell by the way the Indians carved it that it's an Indian drawing.
Pretty neat.
Look at all this nature.
Nature is pretty neat.
You can tell God's breath was the one that created this.
Was breathed here.
God's precious breath was breathed here. Where the hell are we, seriously?
Not sure. Let's keep walking.
Oh. My phone's about to die.
This is a nature walk. You don't need your phone.
You can, unless we get lost.
I have GPS.
Them chimichangas chupacabras come get us.
Hot Japs.
Ah! Whoa! That is not stable.
What are you doing, Jack?
Fine, Jack. This is how you call in secondary. What's up, Jack?
Happy.